Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Rashmi, and I'm from Cyberport Institute, Hyderabad. So we are the authorized partner of Redhat, and every week we are conducting the exam preparation sessions for any kind of Redhat exam, and also we are going through the training session. So if you are looking for any Redhat exam voucher, you can contact the below number. So today I have one question from EX200 or RHCSA exam. You can expect this question in your exam. The topic is about cron job. So those who are already working as a system admin, so they are worried about this cron job. Cron job means with a particular time you can schedule your job. Suppose you are not present in front of your system, you can say, and you have scheduled one job as alarm, and when the exact time will come, that job will execute. Here you can see the question is like, suppose if I take an example, the user student. So like I have one user called student. I'll check that one also. So must we configure a cron job? Must we configure a cron job that runs daily at 3:30 p.m. local time and executes the command called echo command. So this is the command it will execute, and the task will be this one. So as the Linux understand the 24-hour format, so we need to convert this time to 24-hour format. So this will be something like 15, right? 15:30, 15:30, right? So that timing we got 15:30, and here we have the minute parameter and the hour parameter. So how to schedule the job? As if you are doing this task for student user from different user, let's say root user, you can use this command called crontab -eu option, then the username. But if you are doing this practice for the current user, means for the root user, suppose you have logged in to root user and you're doing for root user, you can do it for crontab-e. So since I'm going to configure this crontab for student user, so I'm going to use, let me open the terminal here. So I'm going to use the crontab-eu for user, then the username. So this task is going for the student user. Inside this file, so I need to go to the insert mode. So at what time? At 15:30. So first I'll mention 30, the minute parameter, then 15, the hour parameter. Rest parameters should be star. As we know, 5 parameters are there for cron job, like the date, the month, and dates, right? So for them all, I'm keeping star. And what is the command they have asked for? Echo command. So you need to bring the echo command full path here. So how to check the full path or echo command? Which is the command? Which echo? So I'm getting when echo as the full path of this command. So when /echo. Then make a space. What's the task we need to put here? That the task is EX200 inside this double quote. So inside this double quote, you can write EX200 and put this. That's the task. Now save this file. So file is saved, and how to check crontab-lu, then the username. You can see this cron job is set for this student user. Either you do this or else you can switch to the student user, and here you can check with crontab-l for list. You can see the same task is also executed, right? So either you use this new option from the root user, or else you switch to that user, then only use -e option. There are two ways. Also, sometimes they're asking one more question. Suppose if I'll go inside this let me just log out from this. So suppose I'm going with this crontab-eu, and they have mentioned the minute parameter and the hour parameter. Suppose they are asking instead of this means hour and minute section. Suppose they're asking that in every 3 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, only minute parameter they're asking. So what you need to do? You need to give this one as star, because the hour parameter should be star, and the minute parameter should be something like star/. Okay, that means in every 3 minutes this task is going to execute. So they may ask either the minute section, or they may ask like hour or minute section. So you have to careful about that one, right? So that's all about this crontab. the next video, I'll try to come with a new question from EX200, and also after this EX200, we'll be covering the EX294. Till then, guys, take care. Thank you so much, guys.